Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Auction Syndicate. And if this is the first time you're stopping by Auction Syndicate, welcome to Auction Syndicate. Auction Syndicate is a YouTube channel where we sit down and we learn and practice how to auctioneer. We break down one filler word each and every week, and we practice that filler word in hopes that it will work with our chant and make us better bid callers. So this week's filler word is going to be anybody want to give. Anybody want to give one? Anybody want to give two? Anybody want to give three? Anybody want to give four? Anybody want to give five? Let's sit down. Let's get to some practice.
15, 14. Anybody going to give 14 to the 15, 16, 10, 17 to bit. Now we did the bomb. Give 18, 19, now 2,000. Anybody going to give 2,000? Go to the bones. Everybody go on 2. 2 to the 3. 3 to the 4. 3 to the 4. 3 to the 4. 3 to the 5.
All right. Hope you're in your practice spot. Let's get to some practicing. Today's filler word is anybody want to give. Let's say anybody want to give 10 times nice and slow. Anybody want to give? 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 One more time. Anybody want to give? 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 All right, now let's run through the 1 to 10 number scale with anybody want to give in between our numbers. We're going to take it nice and slow at first, and then we're going to speed it up just a little bit towards the end. 1, anybody want to give 2, anybody want to give 3, anybody want to give 4, anybody want to give 5, anybody want to give 6, anybody want to give 7, anybody want to give 8, anybody want to give 9, anybody want to give 10. Let's do it again. 1, anybody want to give 2, anybody want to give 3, anybody want to give 4, anybody want to give 5, anybody want to give 6, anybody want to give 7, anybody want to give 8, anybody want to give 9, anybody want to give 10. Let's speed it up just a little bit. 1, anybody want to give 2, anybody want to give 3, anybody want to give 4, anybody want to give 5, anybody want to give 6, anybody want to give 7, anybody want to give 8, anybody want to give 9, anybody want to give 10. Let's do it again. 1, anybody want to give 2, anybody want to give 3, anybody want to give 4, anybody want to give 5, anybody want to give 6, anybody want to give 7, anybody want to give 8, anybody want to give 9, anybody want to give 10. Let's speed it up just a little bit more. 1, anybody want to give 2, anybody want to give 3, anybody want to give 4, anybody want to give 5, anybody want to give 6, anybody want to give 7, anybody want to give 8, anybody want to give 9, anybody want to give 10. Let's do it one more time at that speed. 1, anybody want to give 2, anybody want to give 3, anybody want to give 4, anybody want to give 5, anybody want to give 6, anybody want to give 7, anybody want to give 8, anybody want to give 9, anybody want to give 10. Now let's double punch our numbers. 1, 1, anybody want to give 2, 2, anybody want to give 3, 3, anybody want to give 4, 4, anybody want to give 5, 5, anybody want to give 6, 6, anybody want to give 7, 7, anybody want to give 8, 8, anybody want to give 9, 9, anybody want to give 10, 10. Slow it down, it's going a little bit faster. Let's slow it down just a little bit. 1, 1, anybody want to give 2, 2, anybody want to give 3, 3, anybody want to give 4, 4, anybody want to give 5, 5, anybody want to give 6, 6, anybody want to give 7, 7, anybody want to give 8, 8, anybody want to give 9, 9, anybody want to give 10, 10. Excellent job. Let's do it again. 1, 1, anybody want to give 2, 2, anybody want to give 3, 3, anybody want to give 4, 4, anybody want to give 5, 5, anybody want to give 6, 6, anybody want to give 7, 7, anybody want to give 8, 8, anybody want to give 9, 9, anybody want to give 10, 10. Let's speed it up just a little bit. 1, 1, anybody want to give 2, 2, anybody want to give 3, 3, anybody want to give 4, 4, anybody want to give 5, 5, anybody want to give 6, 6, anybody want to give 7, 7, anybody want to give 8, 8, anybody want to give 9, 9, anybody want to give 10, 10. Excellent job. Now let's go on to I'm bid 1, anybody want to give 2. I'm bid 2, anybody want to give 3, and we're going to run through the 1 to 10 number scales. I'm bid 1, anybody want to give 2. I'm bid 2, anybody want to give 3. I'm bid 3, anybody want to give 4. I'm bid 4, anybody want to give 5. I'm bid 5, anybody want to give 6. I'm bid 6, anybody want to give 7. I'm bid 7, anybody want to give 8. I'm bid 8, anybody want to give 9. I'm bid 9, anybody want to give 10. Excellent job. Let's do it again. I'm bid 1, anybody want to give 2. I'm bid 2, anybody want to give 3. I'm bid 3, anybody want to give 4. I'm bid 4, anybody want to give 5. I'm bid 5, anybody want to give 6. I'm bid 6, anybody want to give 7. I'm bid 7, anybody want to give 8. I'm bid 8, anybody want to give 9. I'm bid 9, anybody want to give 10. Excellent job. Now let's speed it up just a little bit. I'm bid 1, anybody want to give 2. I'm bid 2, anybody want to give 3. I'm bid 3, anybody want to give 4. I'm bid 4, anybody want to give 5. I'm bid 5, anybody want to give 6. I'm bid 6, anybody want to give 7. I'm bid 7, anybody want to give 8. I'm bid 8, anybody want to give 9. I'm bid 9, anybody want to give 10. Excellent job. Now we're going to double punch our second numbers. So I'm bid 1, anybody want to give 2, 2. I'm bid 2, anybody want to give 3, 3. So we're going to double punch that second number. I'm bid 1, anybody want to give 2, 2. I'm bid 2, anybody want to give 3, 3. I'm bid 3, anybody want to give 4, 4. I'm bid 4, anybody want to give 5, 5. I'm bid 5, anybody want to give 6, 6. I'm bid 6, anybody want to give 7, 7. I'm bid 7, anybody want to give 8, 8. I'm bid 8, anybody want to give 9, 9. I'm bid 9, anybody want to give 10, 10. Let's do it again. I'm bid 1, anybody want to give 2, 2. I'm bid 2, anybody want to give 3, 3. I'm bid 3, anybody want to give 4, 4. I'm bid 4, anybody want to give 5, 5. I'm bid 5, anybody want to give 6, 6. I'm bid 6, anybody want to give 7, 7. I'm bid 7, anybody want to give 8, 8. I'm bid 8, anybody want to give 9, 9. I'm bid 9, anybody want to give 10, 10. A little out of breath, I'm going to do that again. Nice deep breath, sit up in your chair. You want to be selling from your stomach, selling from your gut. I'm bid 1, anybody want to give 2, 2. I'm bid 2, anybody want to give 3, 3. I'm bid 3, anybody want to give 4, 4. I'm bid 4, anybody want to give 5, 5. I'm bid 5, anybody want to give 6, 6. I'm bid 6, anybody want to give 7, 7. I'm bid 7, anybody want to give 8, 8. I'm bid 8, anybody want to give 9, 9. I'm bid 9, now anybody want to give 10, 10. Woo! Straining there at the end. Now we're going to spice up I'm bid. If you missed last week's episode, we spiced up I'm bid by using I'm bid at. So if you want to go back and practice, go back to last week's episode and we practice more in depth with that. But we're going to say I'm bid at 1, anybody want to give 2. I'm bid at 2, anybody want to give 3. And we're going to go through the 1 to 10 number scale. I'm bid at 1, anybody want to give 2. I'm bid at 2, anybody want to give 3. I'm bid at 3, now anybody want to give 4. I'm bid at 4, anybody want to give 5. I'm bid at 5, anybody want to give 6. I'm bid at 6, anybody want to give 7. I'm bid at 7, anybody want to give 8. I'm bid at 8, anybody want to give 9. I'm bid at 9, anybody want to give 10. Let's do it again. I'm bid at 1, anybody want to give 2. I'm bid at 2, anybody want to give 3. I'm bid at 3, anybody want to give 4. I'm bid at 4, anybody want to give 5. I'm bid at 5, now anybody want to give 6. I'm bid at 6, anybody want to give 7. I'm bid at 7, anybody want to give 8. I'm bid at 8, anybody want to give 9. I'm bid at 9, anybody want to give 10. Excellent job. Let's do that one more time. I'm bid at 1, anybody want to give 2. I'm bid at 2, anybody want to give 3. I'm bid at 3, anybody want to give 4. I'm bid at 4, anybody want to give 5. I'm bid at 5, anybody want to give 6. I'm bid at 6, anybody want to give 7. I'm bid at 7, anybody want to give 8. I'm bid at 8, anybody want to give 9. I'm bid at 9, anybody want to give 10. Excellent job. Now let's just go back to 1 to 10 number scales with anybody want to give in between our numbers. 1, anybody want to give 2, anybody want to give 3, anybody want to give 4, anybody want to give 5, anybody want to give 6, anybody want to give 7, anybody want to give 8, anybody want to give 9, anybody want to give 10. Let's do it again. 1, anybody want to give 2, anybody want to give 3, anybody want to give 4, anybody want to give 5, anybody want to give 6, anybody want to give 7, anybody want to give 8, anybody want to give 9, anybody want to give 10. Let's double punch those numbers. 1, 1, anybody want to give 2, 2, anybody want to give 3, 3, anybody want to give 4, 4, anybody want to give 5, 5, anybody want to give 6, 6, anybody want to give 7, 7, anybody want to give 8, 8, anybody want to give 9, 9, anybody want to give 10, 10. Speed it up just a little bit. 1, 1, anybody want to give 2, 2, anybody want to give 3, 3, anybody want to give 4, 4, anybody want to give 5, 5, anybody want to give 6, 6, anybody want to give 7, 7, anybody want to give 8, 8, anybody want to give 9, 9, anybody want to give 10, 10. Let's go back to just single punching our numbers. 1, anybody want to give 2, anybody want to give 3, anybody want to give 4, anybody want to give 5, anybody want to give 6, anybody want to give 7, anybody want to give 8, anybody want to give 9, anybody want to give 10. Well guys, that does conclude this week's episode of Auction Syndicate. Thank you for sitting down and practicing with me. If you guys enjoyed the freestyle bid calling sessions, and if you don't know what that is, I'll link to the other video, to one of my other videos that has it in there. If that's a good tool for you to practice, let me know in the comments, and that's something that I will definitely put in more videos and maybe elaborate on a little bit more, make it a little bit more difficult. So let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any other filler words that you would like to practice, or there's any other tools you think that we could use to become better auctioneers, post it in the comments. I'll read every single one. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Subscribe, like. I will see you all next week. Oh, and next week's filler word is going to be